Every time Leila stopped at a red light, her 2022 Chevy Blazer lurched forward on its own. She took it in, but they couldn't duplicate it, and the problem never stopped. With our help, Chevy was forced to pay her over $50,000 in compensation, and she still kept her vehicle. Here's exactly how we did this and how you could also get the same result. Chevy revived the Blazer name in 2019, borrowing the legacy of the legendary K5 Blazer to sell a new generation of mid-size SUVs. Leila bought her 2022 Blazer brand new in California. She wanted something that looked sharp, rode smooth, and handled her daily commute without drama. The Blazer starts at around $35,000, and Chevy markets it as the perfect blend of style, comfort, and capability. She thought she was making a smart choice, but within weeks, that choice turned into fear. Every time Leila stopped at a red light and lifted her foot off the brake, the Blazer would lurch forward on its own. Not a gentle creep, a sudden jolt. The kind that makes your heart stop because you think you're about to rear-end the car in front of you. It wasn't just annoying, it was dangerous. She brought it to the dealership. They inspected the vehicle and ran diagnostics. The repair order said, unable to duplicate concern at this time. Customer to return if issue persists. Let us translate that for you. This is a 1-2 combination. Unable to duplicate closes the repair order clean. Customer to return if issue persists shifts the burden back to you. It sounds reasonable, but it's a delay tactic. Every time they send you home without a fix, more time passes, and some people eventually give up. Weeks later, the lurching continued, and now the transmission on her 2022 Blazer was also jerking between gears during normal driving. Meanwhile, Leila started leaving extra space at every red light, 3-4 car lengths, just in case the Blazer lurched again. She changed how she drove every single day because of a vehicle that was supposed to make her commute easier. That's not ownership, that's management. Here's what Leila's dealership never told her about California's lemon law. Every single visit where they wrote unable to duplicate is still a documented repair attempt under the law. That repair order exists. It has a date, a complaint, and a result. And when the pattern shows the same complaint documented visit after visit with no resolution, that's exactly what builds the lemon law case. The dealer's inability to find a problem on Leila's 2022 Chevy Blazer doesn't erase the fact that she reported it. A vehicle shouldn't have this many problems this early on. That is a lemon. When Leila reached out to us, we reviewed her repair records, built her lemon law case, and helped her file a claim against Chevy. The result? A cash settlement of over $50,000, and they got to keep their vehicle without it being deemed a lemon or the remaining warranty being voided. The best part is she didn't pay anything out of pocket. All she gave us in return was a 5-star review. Under California Civil Code Section 1794D, the manufacturer, not you, must pay for your attorney fees. If you think your car is a lemon, give us a call right now or tap the link in our bio to use our free compensation calculator and find out how much money we could get for you in less than 30 seconds.